Assalamu alaikum. Standard 5th, Subject Environmental Studies Part 2, Topic City Life and Urban Civilization Part 2. So let's begin with the Part 2 of this chapter. Transport. Once the potters began to use a wheel, it became possible to make pots in large numbers. In this period, people started making symmetrical and colorful pots with beautiful designs on them. Potters and other craftsmen began to live close to each other in the village settlement so as to manage their work more easily. We can say that this became the industrial area of that village where skilled craftsmen and their settlements and centers of production. This happened mainly in those village settlements where the raw material was easily available and in those which were conveniently situated for trade. Such village settlements expanded rapidly. As the scale of production increased, trade too expanded with it. Therefore, there was a need to change the old system of transport. It was in this period that wheeled vehicles like carts and chariots were first brought into use. Rise of cities and scripts. Long-distance trade, rapid transport of goods and centers of large-scale production are factors that brought together people engaged in different types of work. It became necessary to keep permanent records of expanding trade and growing production. By now, signs and symbols had already come into use for the purpose of record keeping. Broken pieces of clay pots, potsherds with such signs have been found in large numbers during excavations. The increase in trade and production and the growth in the volume of records to be kept resulted in much modification and improvements in the signs and symbols used for these purposes. In this way, each culture developed its own script. Social organization in the ancient cities. It is true that rise in trade had been the major factor that contributed to the emergency and development of cities. However, the culture of those cities had its roots in the culture of village settlements of the New Stone Age. The fair system rooted in the agricultural way of life continued in the urban way of life too. Urban means city way of life. The social life and festivals based on agricultural faith system became more elaborate in cities that had prospered because of the rise in trade. More elaborate means more developed. Prospered means to spread. The social life and festivals. Grand temples were built in many cities. Chiefs of those temples became chief administrators of those cities. Chief administrator, a person who is responsible for carrying out the work in the city. Later, the position of the temple head and that of the king went to the same individual. This was the beginning of the ancient urban civilizations of the world. These are the images of the wheeled carts and chariots which were first used in Mesopotamia, and these are the Harappan civilization, which is Indus civilization, which was the earliest civilization on Indian subcontinent. The wheeled toy cart of that civilization, as you all can see in the image, this was the toy cart of the Mesopotamian civilization.